Yeah, Ezugo, I never planned to respond to you. On the half when I will respond to you. Then the time yes, because many people will agree that most of times in the issue, all sorts of the areas I try to be nice. Also the areas I try to be nice. Only when I have full video that video was posted on my wall on 13th of December. As you can make a month to was I made the cathedral, because the cathedral was to be opened on the 14th of January. So make sure that video. If you may by then, all the go obvious that if actually may find Njuku man ozobro, unu kolombu Jerome Doji. Je setaya gospel na nimebe aka niile, he was honored. Je no kwani. Funa akpo na le St. Peter na ndoche otiki ki unu ka nyele ka akosi iko. Funa akpo na le ebe a. Na na St. Peter ma St. Paul ma fina na ebe no nwe ebute 1 bag of cement. Ndị na-alụ ọrụ detective, that they are one of their foundation of training go the first thing na any case go motive and then or intention. Ọbụna mụ bụ nwa bụ Bishop Nnewi, tisi bụ Benson Okoye, mụ bụ James Okoye. Ọbụna mụ bụ mama awụna. When you find a ball of you can look the roof, oh yeah. Roof about no, mother no hair have no, away da total. Then it was easy, posing that J go for come with Azri. How well lose it is each other. As far as no one did, can was ya only a book of wicked parable if I know. Because of intention. Everyone feel Christianity can call zero. Because of that intention. What about when you are fine? Can I got through? Only film follow. And if I only never won especially when you are Catholic. Who had a this week? Achom ki gente. Mbahado chalo emula unana. Mbahado chalo ni buy buluwani device drop cha nana. Ona drop if you da no onye nwan mebere Christ mebere. Onye nwan me. O drop cha hana. Na ife ya no ife na si ukwu o sudo no yowo so eni gbonu ya ma. Achom ka ndị ya etinye uche na ife a bụrụ non-Catholics. Kunu we for ife hypocrisy. Pretending, saying some things, preaching some things, but the behavior, direct opposite. Or if an essay. Unjeba na inu Catholic, adocha ha na nana. Unwe be fry ebe. Ife ya nobo, ka area alilio. Ose, onye nwe anyị, ụzọ ebere abụọ ka anyị na-arịọ ka imere nwanne anyị. Nke mbụ, nwodibo gị nwere oke ya ime ihe bụ uche gị, ekwela ka ọ daba n'ahụhụ nke dịrị mmehie ya. Ona mafọna onye mbịakwutere m Chinọsọ na-ekwuzi. Nke ịbụa, mgbe nwodibo gị a bi n'ụwa, ezi okwukwe bụ ihe jikọrọ ya na ndị niile kwerenu, mee ka ebere gị sikwa otu ahụ jikọọ ya na ndị mmụọ ozi gị n'ụwa ọzọ. Anyị na-arịọ gị nke a sị na Kristi dị onye anyị. Amen. O egwe ji one of the most important prayer you can never mix. We can mix here as far as no Catholic Church na Fara nene. Oburu Catholic 7 nene. That part must be said. Onye male ko ya no Benson no na agbe mmadụ nwụrụ. Do you know why I keep mentioning Benson? I know before now that before a may be fair on a now by silent Okuchako's week until the writing is done. I'm the wrong. Do the right thing is weak. If not, if I make why I come no and the mass not that is even the worst. All the cardinal they see room where be God bless ya. You know, as no she be try look am with the end monarch. Most respected prince of the church. Because the prince emeritus, because was it called Pope. Meanwhile, when they say no G ya Pope. Onyocha oneche ka obia chief priest na also na your community. What how mad that choku? I have go ebe onyocha na ekwu no kwese bia chief priest na nya ade fe do nnewi. Mo nya ade so if o mali cover tete. Onyocha na onyocha na de ekwu then go na ekwu ya pope mbano. Ifo yili I'm going buy and I don't know about other communities. I'm on one no. Maybe a bit can what car I'm on no. Oh, you will be. Oh, for Bangkok, no, no, okay, motor wine, motor, husband was, and I hatching one, I hatching. So, what car motor? Oh, you will be. Mana, oh, you go for. I talk about you buying a check on your issue, Pope. Gonna have so many churches that we're gonna have for her. Anglican Church, Methodist Church, Presbyterian, Church of Christ, Redeem, those choosing. Okankai Buruzo Tia Fandemu Kanambido boy. Roman Catholic Church. We are not thinking. Oh no, but why we keep what it means that I won't from right even Nagana new Catholic Church. Oh Roman, when they win. A part of the truth that will be making Monday night, Monday Bishop, Monday Father, can if you bad, there is some percentage annually that is going to Rome. Ora so na patako always be for doma. I had a man de kaima. How bold Catholic Church do? Roman Catholic Church. I want to see I'm adding loaded. Adam well loaded. I can't Kanaja. I am not Udu Kunonia. Back to Ezugo. Video can you let go? See, I am doing a post to Olum. No be my wagum, then I go wagum that they want to mess it fine up even at that. Because why I was in Bishop's office, now when I don't know if I knew Cathedral Kalioka, Katabaze, but for young Guanamu, Jalu Media, Namu found a man, no argument name, and I can be confirmed from him. Will my recorder, my full recorder. I didn't drop on my phone. Now, center of the table, he didn't care that it was recording as emperor, and still said, he will destroy him even at death. Why wouldn't I even be scared of sitting on the same room with you if you can destroy a dead person? You see why I went to life. You see, Nkowa Pota Asilana only chole you walk with a single story. See, when you are rooted, when you are well rooted, you cannot fear the wind. Now, Benson will which I fire on what I say, Christian. That is why I am qualified to be a catechist. Get angry, but it's high time we will start checking meanings of things. Google is very easy. Yes, and the first thing is first thing I talk, most of you that mean is to check the meaning of insult. You put the meaning. Then you check the meaning of facts. You forget the meaning. They are two different things. I don't know what you are still, why you are still there. You be apple. Yeah, I unfollow. Just make content. I'm this one way here. Oh, the more I don't want this. I would deactivate myself on Facebook. Now, as you go, where you are, post that video, because most people say as you go, most in the Navy, 70% of followers I believe on the Navy. You know, we said don't post me about. That was on that maybe about 18th of December. But I went check here, nothing. The following day, 19th, I called him again. I waited the whole day. So we can this guy now back. Yeah, I'm not certain. You know what maybe if na page or I don't know about content more or a main boot no a main bugo. So whoop will be there. Mana mbefukazi na intended myself on my own wall. That name with a lot of viewers and reactions, and some people could propagate it in for WhatsApp forums and so thank God. Then they check the followers say as you go about 130-something thousand followers, and I checked my own. It was 7,000. Nchino ka una ndenke mudo. Ka happy funa auto fu ni Catholic or Wilma Benson that will forward that video to him. Only enough for video before 14th of January. I'm getting me pan Mpokazi Ezugo. That was I think about 26th or 27th of December. Mpokazi also say so we make you do give for hey, the third one that day gachakwa omehe. I think that 5th or 26th. Then on the 27th, send them message say Biko. Oh no, but no Kariana. Biko now when I post that in again. Much Rosie. That was the day he now posted it. Of course, being on the full name Bafu. Nanya or pop up. Now Jumaka seen a Facebook. 28th of December. My twin brother, a young okay, so soon to get big. I just for young, but now, and then I be as a bachelor. So we went as we go from a brand new say, we're done. That was it. On the 14th, that Akachaam came out of my mouth, the story changed. Between 14th and today, I think I have about 8,000 followers. I'm getting almost 1,000 followers every day. I will make a video. One of my videos with 120-something thousand viewers. Now, as you go, shamelessly started calling me. Or a content creator. Meanwhile, whatever video na drop hana, as you go, okay, we'll make content. I was called, my attention was called, and I said, well, if you leave the cage, if that make, I say, go one name call. On the Monday, you see that police do go to buy my come and get a mad. And I can't kai. I now said to one of my friends, say, no one this guy now. If I hear not quite the same if I know about can you hear Gonyo Makashia Kabens no could happen for her and he refused. Measure me was so many after your Catazena about what. We say na and can't put that in. Who if man always beef. I beg go, I don't need again, I beg. Fuck off. Yes, fuck off. That's the word I use. I won't lie. Fuck off. He started calling me when the whole Ifa changed. Ejike Akachaam, check the how many days gap from 20 something of December to 14th of January. Something I didn't plan. In fact, let me even say this, Makarina Bobun content creator. Picture now for her it's not about Akachaam. Or Makamupo did Akafanana. Now, where's Yezugo? What Pokatazel na phone? Where a man or she has a Kaonam pick on because where's here? Now, move that no, that's also fuck off coming from my mouth. No man match on before being my house. No man massion. No, if we fall no, we are send there. We're going to walk. We're massion. Because now, my friend is my friend. If you are not, you are not. Chapali will send them 20,000. I'll send the receipt across with this video. On my OP. Where there was there now. To show Ezugo that now I value him, I want him to even be bigger than Ebono. When I be my house, I went to him or him thank you. No way to say try email and say to do. Maybe one as you came to my house, I was busy doing something in the kitchen. In a PA, yeah. So what happened? When I finished the cooking, I served in a PA, yeah. If I'm my what goes in the wow. Meanwhile, all you want a Bible to know, no, you the Bible. I'm going to search on Bible years ago. So go and get me the Bible. So Bible is you go be him. For the most wicked people on earth are people who are extremely religious. If about what they can poison you, quote me. That's where you see 3 different enemies, and they were enemies within themselves. They can team together just to fight you because you said that you mentioned maybe kind of what you don't believe. They believe. They did the Bible ever. So now I'm Bible of Ejike. You talk Bible of Nado. This is the Bible as you go. Oh, Bible in my house. So Evangelist Ebuka Obi Bible. Oh, Bible do go no by Torah. Who is a content creator again? You see, just like a case of Major. All this some nano. All this some nano. You try to cope. Na ke shame nezugo. Facebook, like we are here, or Wanine, right? As you go, name WhatsApp forum, where who is who, name us, by the way. From I created, new from my kind of way organized, we may board. I initiated as well. Now, celebration of life alive. We celebrated our parents from 80, 90, 100. Michahana if I got a hand of ma. Back at the main war bidolo. I know what this guy do. If I go off ma, end off ma, no push again, a sum chopado. No, had my father told my mother before he died. Ne, if I want to call a woman, he may, in capable woman, he never do, or will he family, never had to. Ana abagudo my account usually email cause you had. I can't my account do. Oduna ko ya do. O ebe nkwuru na ọ bụrụ na ndị kpọrọ m afọ ọjọọ maka na agbara ọdụka. Ife that season anahomolu mgbe onye na-eme event. My whole concentration. Even in why nobody cares or it doesn't matter. We say plenty. Man, if I say, no matter how long. In fact, you see, I said look at full stop. But you take Ejide. You see, I can't table tennis egg. You cover and look at full stop. What's the other 1 year? Oh yes, anypa. If you don't buy, you see, I can't long tennis ball. Qui will cover size assez table tennis egg. Can we call last 5 years? Is for nowhere or saying it qua? You see one can football. Do you see why I prefer to be honest? Because it's less stressful. Hi, snake one car. So what happened? Can Russia I can happy take much of our time. Ezugo will be at my house. Why do we eating? Why you like? In fact, I would say I even acted for Ezugo because we were on an before because they can back or be. We were on an. Why did I do that? We can one name. All of the more content creators are making money because of Akachaam with my name. But Cameroon is special. In fact, that was the first time I was showing my interior. I don't even like showing my interior. He was the first person. Now, as you go, I have a voice note which ordered out to everything I'm mad. I want to can phone kind of Mendoza. Obi Mekone change or Mukolum. So remember, I'm better to cover evidence now. Or come or sinners when they can see me. So I have a voice note. As you go, say. Now, even video be in my house, not voice, not message. My was in my boy, Ejike post to quite. See, none of where's my post, nor his brand, nor his trade. Yeah, we trademark, yeah. So that we for them more than others. Or if I don't make a lazy go. Oh, it's like antichrist same. Then Nyawa Mary Free and Kogolu, neighboring Kakodevelu, Wolo. Christ anti. If I when you have an antichrist. If I go to what part of Isindo Chasalo, I now talk down on our people. If the meaning of illiterate is simply check your Google, you are surprised. It's somebody that cannot read or write. Not somebody that cannot read or write English. So therefore, when you British has you illiterate. Wake up. They no land they buy. When China need history of English, but we do business with them. You know, so gonna Harvard. Ya une ni big moto. Nje ipozo, ozabiam no. Ezugo. I meant well for you. When you family, if you say kubo, na that even never follow monkey ki jelu. Je wole be mmelo mena na basalo newi meet you on Facebook. And to meet you on Facebook, it's not for all. Marco seeing when some reservations. You do will it in Facebook say James Louis have done to native doctor. If you content to garage as you go, the highest reaction with a content to Kibatanabem is there. 22,200 likes. If you catch the case, you memory if you antichrist and for your mind, the camp today will first and last I will mention your name. William Madam Today, mark today's date, you're hearing this voice. Today is the very first and last. In fact, what are your discussion? I know when you're today is the very last time I will mention your name ever in my life. So, if people chose email, make his way, you couldn't know much oversee as good mother. Make his way long will make a content. What is them antichrist? Then we could say, if I want to kutata, they are say, or not obvious, not even any engagement. 139,000 something email before all this. After you started posting Akachaam, you have now 150,000 followers. I mean, you used to have 139. As of today, it's 150,000. If you so boost your video inside my parlor. Why are people? Why are we like this? Okay, what are another person's success? If at all, if I was success, another person's success will make one feel like no, your loss. Why? Here na azo. Ogunu ka na azo. Now, as a strategist, you was using a position if you want to near that counter. Mba, on counter here na counter. If you see them with that one, them mother na on high anyway. Na come go away faithful. You go no anyway in the sky. Muma, and I go and ask. Not countering. Fighting the body of Christ. Snake which body? Which Christ? Nanya eze manile wano, but yet they are living in peace. The problem with Christians is that they want everybody to be Christian. Do you know how many thousands of religious saying in the world? Then you are ready to fight physical. When are you going to hear Satan's side of the story? Till now, my father will night, my mother, life member, yes. Now my great-grandfathers were lied to. They lied to my grandfather. My grandfather lied to my father lied to me. That's not the reason why I would lie to my son, Ikenga. My son's name is Ikenga, the mother changed it to Ikechuku. In conclusion, look at time they spend the macaroni where he see. In fact, I will stop this video here. Yeah, I will stop it here. But Malife Nkulu. What would you will to 70 minutes? Could even pull out my my video on it here. Ebe meromena na makanewi. Maka ogayo. Keshisi newi on ntogesele. Bolunde newi njime kwale ozo na banano. Maka ogayo hu ni no kigwe newi. And double off records. Ekunime newi. You know, just say about something who look where they make content. Before follow wall. Njima kana you would my friend where die. Manamani ye will. What do you record? The man do go under for doing that intentionally because of content. And not because you are pull chazi down. Can they was you Ike dodging coating. I mean, oh, Drew, Madam, Ike dodge oracle, living oracle in case you don't know. That name Ike dodge, how guy name. They go and make inquiry. Now, before somebody like Ike dodge could post, he consulted. See if he free now, that has his van imezo. Just go na way feel Kumaka. If I knew Guna. Ponkaya we need reason my we post to in exactly post to. Give him an answer. I name Fife. Oh, you been made to her, I like contaminant take in a But mark my word, Today will last. And then make a many days in my Kayundala. I won't go expire. Only film will remain. You might buy him a content.